Hey everybody, this is Drew and it's Friday and I feel like a kid in the candy store. So I dropped off the G70 this morning at Bulldog Detail of Scottsdale. They do a whole list of things from wraps to paint correction. They do the blackout, chrome deletes. So they did a vinyl wrap for me on the front splitter and the rear spoiler. They're going to be doing the install today and I can't wait to see it. Kyle, big thumbs up to him with Bulldog's Detail of Scottsdale. Did a great job. Check him out on Instagram. And drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of this new spoilers and the way they look on the new G70. All right, so we're here to pick up the G70. Can't wait. We got excitement going. We want to take a look and see how everything's done. Uh-oh. What's up? Look at there. All right, we're gonna get her cleaned up and then do some pictures.
Yeah, we seal the, actually, yeah, don't wash it. I know it's kind of dusty with some ones on right now, but don't wash it. Because we have some seal on the edge right there.
Yeah, it's going in the garage.
Cool, yeah. All right, here, what we do, the same product that we use in our straight plate on the bottom. That's what we use on the top to help seal it.
Okay.
Inside.
So they got the front lip splitter done. Lower it and do some other stuff. All right, so I'm just getting ready to leave Bulldog's Detail. They did a great job on the spoilers with the carbon fiber. Really happy. Listen, please hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing more videos. Now it's time to take her for a ride.